Today I'm going to talk to you about the next available stitch. A lot of my patterns include those words when I'm trying to get you to work a crochet stitch into the next available stitch. So what does that mean? The next available stitch is the next stitch that is available for you to work into. So on this piece, the next available stitch would be the second single crochet that I worked in the previous row. And that's where I would work into next, hence next available stitch. In a normal crochet pattern, the instructions assume that you will always be working into the next available stitch. It's just that there are moments when that seems a little more challenging than you thought it should be, and I'm going to show you one of those scenarios here. This was worked in spiral, and I did start with a little bit of a short row. So I did some stitches this way, then I worked back along those stitches, and now I'm working back this way. And this is what trips some people up, because I'm going to single crochet to the end of this short row buildup here that I want to use to create some shaping. There is one more stitch before I'm at that very edge. And now, where do I go from here? If I've worked here, where's the next available stitch? So the next available stitch is not here in the side of this buildup. Those are not stitches to work into actually. Those are the sides, the posts of stitches. That would be an unfinished edge. It's not here. This stitch has already been worked into. That stitch has already been used. Unless I explicitly tell you to use a stitch that you've already worked into, you can assume that you will not work into stitches that you have already worked into. So it is not that stitch. It is this stitch that you will work into. The next available stitch, the next available unworked stitch. So that, I just worked a decrease, but I'll work a single crochet here at the top and then a single crochet into the next available stitch, just to show you that there can be two stitches on two different levels of crochet work. This was a higher level because there were two rows below it that aren't over here, because fiber yarn stretches. It's stretchy, so we can do stretchy things with it. Now, most of the time when you reach a buildup of stitches that drops down to a lower level of row that you haven't worked into yet, I will have you use one of my special stitches, like a single crochet / half double crochet decrease. And I have a video on that. I'll link to that in the description. But it uses the last available stitch on that short row and the next available stitch after that. So that's what I mean by the next available stitch, the next available full stitch for you to work into. I hope that helps.